2020 Lincoln Nautilus Reserve. Purge valve acting up. Threw a code. I put the code in the comments what it was. My wife's got it. Anyway, I'm trying to figure out where this part's at. There's two 10 millimeter bolts. One's here to pop this off. I already took them off just so I could figure out where this is at. There's not very many videos on YouTube about this thing. Started looking to see if I could find this part, and lo and behold, that baby sits right there. Match it up. Green, that. Anyway, I'm gonna try to swap it out, and hopefully this will save some money from having the service department do this. More to come. All right, here we go. So, that piece pops off. This piece squeezes in and pops off. This piece squeezes in and pops off. This piece, I'm not sure yet. That's just a resting mechanism. This is okay. So this thing is snapped on there. I had to put this on the back side and pry that up. There's a little catch right here that was catching on this latch right there. So I had to come back in from the back side, lift it up a little bit and pop it out. So that's where we are. Let's see. Oh, one of the other things said. So, we're rolling. Mm-hmm. So one of the videos I saw said that if you blow in this thing and air pushes through, that means it's stuck open. It's blowing air through. So I assume it's stuck open. We'll see. All right, come to this and that. Go back through here. We're gonna hook up put it in position where it goes, hanging on that little stud. Put the snaps on, wire on, snaps on, snaps on. That's it. We'll see what happens.